Buddy, your engine might be begging for help right now, and you don't even know it. Most drivers ignore oil quality until the engine starts knocking. Popular auto tests show that the wrong viscosity can boost friction and heat. The solution is simple. Pick oil that matches your car's age, weather, and engine design. Check the label and follow the chart under your hood. Stay with me, brother, because the next part reveals a mistake that ruins engines faster than old age. Many drivers grab cheap oil thinking all oils are the same. But tests from well-known auto labs show some low-grade oils break down early. When oil breaks down, metal scrapes metal. You can fix this by choosing oil with strong heat resistance. Look for synthetic options if you drive in traffic every day. Change it on time and listen to your engine sound. And hold on, buddy, because the next segment exposes the oil type that thickens like glue. Here's the truth, brother. Some oils are labeled universal but fail under long drives. Studies show they lose lubrication faster when hot. The solution is to use oil that meets the exact approval code your car maker requires. Check your manual or fuel cap. If unsure, ask a trusted shop. Your car deserves the right care. Stay motivated, buddy. You're doing what most drivers never do. Next, we talk about the biggest silent killer inside your engine. Many engines die because the oil is too thick for cold starts. Science proves thick oil needs more time to reach the top of the engine. The fix is to pick oil with a low first number so it flows fast when you start the car. Warm your engine gently for a minute before driving. But don't leave yet, because in the next part I'll show you why some oils evaporate quicker than water on a hot pan. Some oils burn off fast at high temperatures. When your oil level drops, your engine runs dry. Tests from popular repair channels show this happens more on engines that run hot. The solution is to check your dipstick every 2 weeks. If the level drops fast, pick oil made for high-temp engines. Simple habit, big benefit. Stick with me, buddy. Up next is a mistake most drivers make during long trips. Long highway trips with cheap oil can thin the oil too much. According to engine test benches, thin oil loses strength and lets metal rub. You can fix this by using oil that keeps stable thickness. Choose quality brands with strong durability ratings. You're learning, brother, and that alone puts you ahead. Let's keep this positive energy. Next segment tells you why dusty roads demand a whole different oil routine. Driving through dusty areas can mix dirt into your oil faster. Dirt acts like sandpaper inside the engine. Studies show dusty conditions shorten oil life. The fix is simple. Change oil more often and use a good air filter. A small habit can save thousands in repairs. Hold on, because next we'll talk about the one oil myth that keeps ruining engines everywhere. There's a myth that older engines need super thick oil. Popular tests show this can stress the oil pump and starve the top of the engine. Instead, use the viscosity recommended for high-mileage engines. Add a cleaner if your engine has deposits. Buddy, knowledge is power, and you're stacking wins here. Next, I'll reveal why mixing oils is almost always a bad idea. Mixing oils with different additives can cancel their benefits. Some blends foam or lose protection. The solution is to stick with one brand and type during an oil cycle. If you must mix, keep it temporary. You're doing great, brother. Keep your focus strong. Next segment explains why short drives kill oil faster than long trips. Short city drives don't heat the engine enough to burn moisture. Water mixes with oil and forms sludge. Research shows sludge reduces lubrication in minutes. The fix is to take a longer drive once in a while. Let the engine warm fully. And stick with me because we're about to talk about the most common oil change mistake shops make. Some shops use bulk oil that may not match your car's needs. This can shorten engine life. The solution is to bring your own oil or confirm the exact product they use. Watch them pour it if possible. Sounds simple, brother, but it saves you heartbreak. Next, we'll dive into the filter problem nobody talks about. A bad oil filter keeps dirt flowing through your engine. Many cheap filters fail under pressure. Choose filters with strong metal caps and tight seals. Replace them every oil change. You're staying sharp, buddy. Let's keep this momentum. Next, we'll talk about oil colors and why dark oil doesn't always mean danger. Dark oil doesn't always mean trouble. Synthetic oils turn dark fast because they trap dirt. The danger is thick sludge, not color. Check the feel, not just the look. Smooth is fine, gritty is bad. Keep going, brother. This journey makes you a smarter driver. The next part covers why engine temperature affects oil life more than mileage. Hot engines cook oil faster. Research shows every 10 degrees hotter cuts oil life significantly. The fix is to clean your radiator, keep coolant fresh, and avoid hard driving in heat. You're leveling up, buddy. In the next segment, we talk about why wrong fuel choices hurt your oil too. Low-quality fuel creates more carbon that ends up in your oil. Tests show carbon thickens oil fast. Use good fuel when you can. Clean your injectors once in a while. You're doing amazing, brother. We keep learning. Up next is the truth about extended oil change intervals. Some people push their oil past the safe limit. Yes, oil tech improved, but real-world driving is harsher. Follow the shorter interval from your manual if you drive in traffic. Better safe than sorry. And don't go anywhere because next we'll uncover why storage can damage oil too. If you don't drive often, oil still ages. Moisture builds up inside the engine. The fix is to start your car weekly and let it warm. Simple habit, big reward. Brother, you're doing awesome. Next section reveals the role of climate in oil performance. Cold places need thinner oil for fast flow. Hot places need oil with strong heat stability. Matching oil to climate saves engines. Follow your manual and stay consistent. One more step, buddy. Next segment highlights the oil label codes most drivers ignore. Those letters on the bottle aren't decoration. They tell you if the oil passed quality tests. Pick oil with your car maker's approval. Check before you buy. Brother, this knowledge keeps your engine alive. Stay with me because we're closing strong. You now know how choosing the wrong oil can destroy your engine and how the right one keeps it running smooth.